What's up mga pre? What's down? I'm back, I'm GIRAY for at your service. To this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix this error on here in COD mobile in game loop. Sorry, that's on your screen. First things you do, you must uninstall it. Type here in the search bar apps, then enter apps and features. Just click here, then you must go to game loop. You must uninstall it. Oh no, uninstall it. After you uninstall it, you open my computer or this PC where the from is the text assistant name, and you must delete it. If you don't delete it, you must restart the computer and you delete it. And after you uninstall it, you download. Check the first. You must delete the program files. After you delete it, you must go to Google Internet, and then you have to change this URL into gameloop.com. Press enter. Then you must download. You must download this. Just click download this to the right side upper. And after you download this, and open it. After you open it, just click the browser and then click the local D of your any local that you want. Just click to install it. Make a club shout out for your comment. After you install it, just start it. Wait for the to display. You go to the library, you pick the library and then install it. Again, the Call of Duty. Wait for to finish it. Got it. Installing engine. Maybe be fast forward the installation. So installing the game now. Let's wait for a while. After update, keyboard is not working. After update, there you go. And then play now. Just click play now. And then next, start the game. Install the game lock as March 24.
Stay with me.
Make it latest game lock is under the 24. There you go. GIRAY na online. What? Patient? Oh, come on. Malapit na, malapit na. 75%, 60% on the way. So, letrang E, 76. Ano to, bingo? Ayan. Don't download anything application on gameloop. Just download the Call of Duty. No, you don't have to download the easy file, the OBBPS. Yes. Press continue and then accept. You go in account if you sign in my account and continue. Let's try if the keyboard is not working and the tank is moving forward. On the previous Call of Duty is the tank is not working for moving forward. Sorry for my bad English. Then there you go. We have to must download this file. And then you must we have to try this keyboard. If do not rank any, just start classic only, classic. After the game, there's my account. Yes, tab 2020. If you want to add me, just add me. Then here we go. Let's try the keyboard, WDS. If the mouse and the right click is so well, and the keyboard is running. Yeah, that's all for now, guys. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Give me a like and comment. Don't forget to comment. See you for the next video. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.